Next, what sequence prediction using deep learning? What prediction technique does the task of guessing the preceding word that is likely to continue with few initial text fragments? Existing system work on work prediction model which suggests the next immediate word based on the current available word. These systems work using machine learning algorithms which has a limitation to create accurate sentence structure. Developing technologies has been producing more accurate outcomes than the existing system technologies. Models developed using deep learning concepts are capable of handling more data efficiently and predict better than machine learning algorithms. The research on word prediction has been performing well. Word prediction technique does the task of guessing the next predicting word that is likely continue with few initial fragments. As writing an essay and framing a big paragraph are time consuming. It will help end users to frame important parts of the paragraph and help user to focus on the topic instead of wasting time on what to type next. We expect to create a mimic autocomplete features using LSTM. LSTM is nothing but the long-term term memory, which is a machine learning algorithm in this next word sequence prediction. Most of the software uses different methods like NLP and normal neural networks to do this task. While we are experimenting with this problem using LSTM by using the default net size text file, also known as training data to train a model. Next word prediction is also called the language modeling, that is the task predicting that what comes the next word. In this, we are using the natural language processing, which is also a significant part of the artificial intelligence, which cooperates with it and which contributes to finding productive approach to speaking with people and gaining from their associations with them. One such commitment is to give portable clients anticipated next words as they type along within applications with an end goal to assist message convenience using these next word sequence prediction. We are also using the recurrent neural network, which means which next word sequence prediction using deep learning. What prediction technique does the task of guessing the preceding word that is likely to continue with few initial text fragments? Existing system work on work prediction model which suggests the next immediate word based on the current available word. These systems work using machine learning algorithms which has a limitation to create accurate sentence structure. Developing next word sequence prediction execution part. We have included all the files and the templates, all the coding needed for this project in my lappy. So here comes the Visual Studio. I have included the Visual Studio here, and this includes the Python and Java code, which we also included the string functions and all those. We use the tokenizers here, tokenizers and the string functions to detect the word which is applicable for the preceding word which we type. And the execution part comes like here we need to open an anaconda prompt to execute the code. For this one I have already made the instructions here. With these instructions only I can make it easy to type anything. So for that one, first I need to type D, where I have made the path here. So I need to type according to the path which is made. I make it simpler, cut, copy, paste here. We have seen in the files. No, there is already path. That path I am typing, and I have installed the Visual Studio, so that's why the Visual Studio is coming right here, which is the Python app py. Next, it automatically runs in the background, so it takes a few minutes to work. Next, we need to open a browser, and we have to browse this link. You can see that the background is running, which is I have given the instructions. So I simply browse this. There is problem, I think, in the networks. Here comes the part, because it needs to run now, so that it's take the time. We need to type here something, words. I typed here word and given a space. If we given a space only, it shows the next four words. uh, and next, how to live, survive, fight. Any words you give, you have to give space like that. If you given four on the space only, it will predict the next words. That's it, the execution part. Thank you for helping us to provide this project to you and giving us a platform to perform. Thank you, everyone.